this is always the problem with me. I always feel like I have so much time. Like, I'm like, oh my goodness, it's just 9 a.m. My appointment is by 11. I have so much time. And then I'm whiling away on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, doing things that I'm not supposed to be doing instead of getting ready. And before you know it, it's 10 a.m. Before you know it, it's 10:30. And now I'm rushing. This is the problem with this town. Tell me you don't like cooking without telling me you don't like cooking. The craziest place I'd want to go to after getting my hair done, but you know what, it's fine. A place is a place. So my hand is paining me. Get my hair done in the middle of January. I don't know. Good morning, everyone. Today's Saturday. Today is actually I think today is the 16th of January 2026, and I have a hair appointment, so spend the day with me. I really have been thinking about it, and I don't know if I want to continue doing weekly vlogs because, hear me out, because my days sometimes look the exact same, and some days are very boring, and trust me, I don't think anybody wants to sit down and be watching me talk all the damn time. So I think I'm just going to resort to doing daily vlogs. So the day I know that I have a lot of things to do and my day is interesting, I will vlog that and then I will post it. Maybe we might be posting like bi-weekly or something, I don't know. But regardless, it's time for me to get ready because it is past 9 a.m. and even though my appointment is at 11, I want to make it a duty this year 2026 to be a bit early for myself, because it's not that I go to the place late, it's that I'm always rushing to go to the place because I've wasted so much time doing nothing and now I'm rushing. So let's tidy up. My room is a mess. But look, number one, I did not spend the night at home 2 nights ago, and then I washed my hair. I washed my extensions. As you can see, I'm going to be using this to make my hair today. So I washed them yesterday evening. Y'all, I slept like around 1:30, 2 a.m. this morning because I was washing. I washed the extensions. I washed my hair. And then I shaved my underarms. Y'all, please tell me I'm not the only one that doesn't like shaving her underarms every single day. Like, I prefer my underarm hair to grow to a certain level before I shave it. Like, it's just my thing. And I feel like continuously shaving every single day darkens my underarms, so I don't do it every day. And also, I don't shave. I use shaving cream, but that still darkens my underarms. If I do that every day, my underarms will still be dark, so I allow my hair to grow. I allow my armpit hair to breathe and grow, and then I cut it off, or I shave it off, or I shaving cream it off, if that's a word. I'm so exhausted, but when your body has a clock, it wakes up at a particular time. I've been awake since 7 a.m. It's past 9, and trust me, I haven't done anything for myself. I haven't eaten. I haven't cleaned up, so we have approximately 1 hour, 30 minutes to clean everywhere up and get ready to go get our hair done and, come back looking like a bad bitch. Who is making her hair in the middle of January? Like, everybody knows this is recession month, but here I am about to go make my hair. But I have to because the Harmattan here is insane, and if I leave my hair open, it will dry, and my hair is already breaking really badly. So if I allow the Harmattan air to access my hair, I will probably not have any hair on my head by March. So we have to do something about that. Y'all, my hand is paining me. I'll see you later. We're wearing our glasses because we mean business. Let's go. dressed. We're going to have breakfast. I'm just going to have boiled eggs for breakfast, and we'll be on our way. Let's go. So my hair is looking like. Okay guys, we are done. We're about to leave. I have my bag, I have my hair in the bag. So it's 10:35, so I'm supposed to be there by 11. Ooh, fingers crossed, y'all, fingers crossed. Let's go. This is the outfit of the day. This is what we're wearing. My favorite jean. Oh my goodness, I love this jean. It's actually it's sad because finding jeans that fit me and just look right is a struggle. But I have these jeans on. I have this shirt that I tucked in, you know, just like weekend work vibe. I love it. And yeah, that's the outfit for the day, to go get our hair done. So let's go. These are the issues, y'all. I could stand on this place for like ages and I'll not see keke. This is the problem with this town. Like, you're going somewhere, looking for public transport is a problem. Even both drop. Y'all, so we just got our hair done. I feel so good. Y'all should please give me an award, because who gets their hair done in the middle of January? I don't know. But right now I was on my way back home. But you know what, I haven't cooked in months. Okay, I haven't cooked in months, and I'm just like, why not? Why don't I go to the market right now, which is the most dreadful part of cooking. I feel like if I have someone that can go to the market and buy the things for me, I'll be okay. But going to the market myself is such a dreadful thing. But you know what, I'm just going to do it. And because I am vlogging the process, I think I'm going to like use you as my accountability partner. So let's go to the market. I don't want to make anything too serious, so I'm just making stew. So we're going to get a couple of things from the market and then go home and make some stew, and that will be it for the day. So let's go. Okay, moreover, I just made my hair. Okay, I need to go somewhere, even if market is the craziest place I'd want to go to after getting my hair done. But you know what, it's fine. A place is a place, so let's go. I forgot my charger. Thank God I had not gone far. tomato, onion and pepper. So I'm going to let that boil and dry up, and then we'll make the stew. I need to go and borrow pots because I don't have pots to cook with. Tell me you don't like cooking without telling me you don't like cooking. I don't have a lot of cooking. In fact, I don't have any cooking tools, no pots. The pan I have, I got it. I forced it from my friend. I'll do better this year. I'll do better this year. Even though I had onion blend in with the tomato and the pepper, I forgot to get like actual onion so I can put the meat. So I didn't put onion in the meat, which is sad because even though I hate seeing onion in my food, I still love the scent and taste of onion in food. So, but regardless, we're just gonna wait for the tomato to get dry completely. Then we'll run the stuff. Okay, after that we're practically done. So I freaking want I want the freaking stuff. Like anyways, let's make this stew now. The meat is still very much cooking. Okay. back aches, my waist aches, and this is the reason why I do not like to cook. But I'm actually parboiling rice now because I'm hungry as well. Once the rice is done, I'm going to go get a carton of water because my bottled water, my drinking water is finished. So such a happy girl. I have food, I have food, I have food.
A few hours later.
Hey, so I just got back. I was done cooking and I went to get water. I just got back. I am exhausted. I'm going to shower now, do everything, and then eat and go to bed. But thank you for spending the day with me. A very interesting day. I've done something that I haven't done in a very long time, and oh my goodness, I just realized that this is my first hairstyle for 2026. This is my first hairdo for 2026, and not really what I had in mind, or not really how I wanted it to come out, but I don't hate it. I actually do not hate it at all. I'm very happy that my hair is done and my hair has been put away and everything. And so yeah, period. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.